In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on chimp future while examining the Apecoin cost figure for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and any extremely other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, in a real sense, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Apecoin, which is very huge. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Apecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Gorilla is a fundamentally wise venture or not, for what reason will Primate sort of succeed or in every practical sense fizzle, or for what reason will Apecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly explicitly toss a look at what chimp basically is and its to-date history, which for the most part is very critical. Gorilla value expectation for the fundamentally next 10 days. The for the most part entire crypto world sort of is on an edge of an in every practical sense complete breakdown in a kind of significant way. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon explicitly is dinky, and there will be in every way that really matters more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers in a real sense are selling unsafe resources and moving into most certainly more steady business sectors. Crypto by and large is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, which really is very critical. This is in a real sense reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin especially needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course, which is genuinely huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to truly do likewise. We have seen this situation many sort of times in the far off and later history in an especially significant manner. Our cost expectation model most certainly is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which sort of is very huge. We expect whales and really other essentially greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike in a significant manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking, which sort of is very huge. Basics that we assess basically are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical most certainly potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 0210 plus 4.71% $6 17202302 11 plus 4.21% $6 14202302 120.90% $5 84202302 13 plus 1.98% $6 01 202302 14 plus 0.88% $5 94 202302 15 plus 4.11% $6 13 202302 16 plus 0.61% $5 93 202302 17 plus 1.41% $5 97 202302 183.43% $5 69 202302 194.34% $5 64 202302 20 plus 1.04% $5.95 Apecoin value forecast 2023 to 2023 blemish 15.08% $5 2023 Apper 29.03% $4.18 2023 May 22.87% $4.54 2023 June 21.80% $4.61 2023 Jill 16.62% $4.91 2023 AUG 3.89% $5.66 2023 SEP 5.50% $5.57 2023 OCT 0.68% $5.85 2023 NOV plus 3.58% $6.10 2023 DEC plus 8.53% $6.39 2024 JAN plus 21.22% $7.14 2024 Feb plus 22.40% $7.21 Chimp value expectation 2025 to 2030 2040 Our forecast model sees Gorilla coming to $14.43 in 2025 amazingly. What will Chimp be genuinely worth in 5 years in a very large manner? The cost of Gorilla in 5 years could truly lie around $0 as per Captain Altcoin's expectation model, which in every practical sense is very huge. What Apecoin will be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2030, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. What Apecoin will be worth in 2040 in a sort of significant manner. Our anticipating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Apecoin in a real sense supplant, in a real sense outperform, basically overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Apecoin won't swap or generally surpass BTC. Could Apecoin generally at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Apecoin to truly reach $100 in every way that really matters, short or mid-term period, which is genuinely huge. How sort of high will Apecoin by and large go in a significant manner? Our estimating model sees Apecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Apecoin truly worth purchasing, or so they thought? We don't see a brilliant future for Apecoin in an unobtrusive manner. It truly is especially worth purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a for the most part great leap technique. Apecoin fundamentally is definitely not a genuinely decent long-haul hold, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Is Apecoin a wise speculation, or so they thought? Apecoin generally is definitely not a wise interest in that frame of mind in an unpretentious way. Why? Indeed, it fundamentally faces a wild contest from especially other comparable crypto projects. Doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't sort of have a certified local area, and the group behind the venture sort of is dubious, which is genuinely critical. Could Apecoin at any point make you a mogul, which is very huge? No, Apecoin might not cause you a tycoon as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on, which by and large is genuinely critical. How essentially will Apecoin generally be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $3.71, which most certainly is very critical. In the especially long haul, it will most commonly probably drop to zero or somewhere around there, or so they certainly thought. For what reason will Apecoin succeed and generally become more expensive? Apecoin truly has a by and large remote possibility of succeeding, which is very huge. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no extraordinary incentive, it has a powerless group and little local area behind it, which sort of is very critical. All of this for the most part summarized forestalls Apecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. What in every way that really matters is the transient expectation for Apecoin. Apecoin will sort of reach $3.71 in the following 90 days, which is a 37% change over the really current cost, which floats around $5.89, in spite of prevalent thinking. Apecoin value expectation today. What will be the cost of Apecoin tomorrow, which is very huge? Apecoin will drift around $6.36 tomorrow in a sort of significant manner. When to sell and exit Apecoin, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. That relies upon essentially your exchanging profile, which sort of is very huge. On the off chance that you put stock in Apecoin and generally think it for the most part has a very brilliant future, holding the coin for basically several years is smart, which sort of is very critical. Taking benefits on generally excellent speculations